Hi everybody, welcome to the fourth day of One Day One HTML Tag from Mooniverse. So today's tag is head. The head tag is a container tag. So it has a starting and the closing tag. And it contains the metadata. That is the data about the web page that is not displayed when it is being executed. But this is the information about the web page given to the browser, search engine, and other web services. And this head tag has various attributes which is similar to that of the HTML tag. ID, class, style, title, lang, dir, data, and header. Same as that of the attribute ID in HTML, this will be giving a unique name for the header tag. Here is an example. Next attribute is the class. This is used for assigning class names for the CSS and the JavaScript which is written inside the HTML program. These are enclosed inside the double quotes and it is similar to that of the variable name. Next attribute is the style attribute. This is used for specifying the inline CSS component inside the head tag itself, which will be displayed for the entire elements in the head tag. The example here is style display block. Here also we can specify other CSS components like background color, font color, etc. The next component inside the head tag is the title. It is providing additional information for the title for the knowledge of the programmer. So here is the example. The title given for this head tag is the document head. Next comes lang. This specifies the language in which the web page has been written. The example here shows that the language is English specified with a short form en, and for every language we are having a short form like this. Next comes dir. This is used to specify the text direction, whether it has to be read from the left to right or from right to left. So here is an example. Here the direction shows the text has to be read from left to right, which is indicated by LTR. Next attribute is the data attribute. It is used to specify the theme. That is, it stores custom data for JavaScript also. So here is an example in which the data theme is dark. That is, the background of the data in the web page will be in dark. There is a contrast color. So next attribute in the head tag is the hidden tag. It is also used for storing the custom data for the JavaScript. Usually when we use this hidden inside the head tag, the output page will not be showing which are anything enclosed inside the container tag, that is the HTML. So here I think you can see the output of a HTML page with the content inside the title as my web page. As the hidden has been specified in the head tag, you cannot see the title, that is my web page, which is written inside the HTML web page. Thank you.